Hello, welcome to the Quran video part 2. So in this class I will be teaching us how to make a Quran video by creating a template for yourself. Though to do that you'll be using our PC Lab to create our template. You go back to your PC Lab, there you will see this is the menu, you will see the default background. Then after you have seen the default, then you want to change the background of the default background. Then you come to this third icon at the bottom. This is the first icon, this is the second one, the text icon, the shape icon, and the background icon. Then you go to color, you pick color, then you want to use white color for our background. Then you now go to at the topmost left, you will see the plus button. You can pick the plus button and you go to from gallery. You want to pick a background or image, a template from our gallery. Then I want to use this background for our template. Let me use this for our template. Then you can see before you use anyone, so you can see different bosses. Then I want to use one by one bosses. Then I'll click it. Then I can bring it to anywhere I like. I can take it up. I can take it to the bottom. Then I'll click OK. Then you enlarge the shapes. After you have enlarged the shapes, you will go back to this shape button, shape icon. Then you can reduce the opacity. You reduce the opacity. Okay. Let me use it like this. This is opacity. Then you lock it. After that, you can if you have a logo that you wanted to use, you can bring it up. But if you don't have a logo you want to use as a template, then let me just go. If I could find a logo, if I could find a logo, seller. Okay. Okay. Let me use this. Okay, let me use this. Let me adjust it a little bit. Then bring it here. So this is my logo. Then I'll come here, relative position to centralize it. After centralizing, then you now go and bring a shape. You reduce its radius to like 12 or 13%. Then you will adjust it. You adjust it a little bit. You now go and change the color of our shapes. Okay, I want to pick the color of my logo. I'll click this plus button. Then I'll click this pencil at the top. Second one, then I'll click on the color and I'll pick it. This is the color. Let me reduce the radius a little bit. Okay, let me reduce this a little bit. Then okay. Then I will now come to relative position to centralize it. I'll centralize it. Then the third one, I'll create another shape. I'll increase its radius to 15. Then the opacity, let me change the color first. Can you see the color? Then I want to reduce the opacity. I want to let the color fade. So I will reduce the opacity to 0. I will now increase its stroke. Let me put 3. Let me increase it a little bit. Let me adjust this also. Then I will now change the color of the stroke to this. After that, let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, this is it. Then if I want to create a logo, a contact or something, contact me via this, I can create it here, and I can create it in our PCL lab. But let me just leave it here. Let me centralize this one also. Relative position, centralize. Let me centralize this also. Relative position, centralize. Then let me centralize our text. Relative position, centralize. So everything I've done. So I want to use this for our template. Then I will now come here to save this as a project first. Key P. Then I can now come here to save this as an image to my template. I'll save it as an image. Then you first change it to PNG. Then the export when you change it to Ultra, then you save it to gallery. Okay, the template has been saved. Then we will stop here and we will continue in our next class.